Our friends at Everybot sent us this home mopping system to try out. It's wheelless, it's light, it's got discs, spinning disc instead of wheels. How do you mop with wheels? You just can't do it. And look at this. It gets deep in the corner, and it picked up this stain, this mess over here that my old mopping robot just couldn't seem to get to. Look, it went over it, it twisted around it. It's going to run the wheels through it a couple of times. It's going to make an awful mess in here. It couldn't even pick it up, but the Everybot gets into those corners, deep into this corner. This is genius engineering right here. This is going to make your home cleaning chores a lot easier. Everything you need is in the box, real easy. It's 99% assembled. All you've got to do is choose your cleaning mode, plug in the battery, charge her up a little bit, add a little bit of water into the reservoir. You don't need any cleaning solutions or anything that's toxic. Just put a little water in here. It's going to be enough to get your floors nice and clean, along with those nice little scrubbing pads. And you can use this on hardwood floors. You could use this on anything that's safe to use with water. We have tile all over the house, so this is going to save us all kinds of time. So pre-wet your pads. You're going to need a little bit of water to really get in there and loosen that dirt. And just wring them out a little bit. These are easy to wash too. Just run them under water and just twist them out. Dry them up, and you're ready to go for next time. So all you have to do is put the handy, they're attached with Velcro. No snapping, no tools necessary. Pop them on there. They are ready to go. They're not going anywhere. When you're ready to mop, all you have to do is hold the power button in for a second or so and grab your wireless remote control. That's right. It comes with a wireless remote control where you set your cleaning mode, and you can also control it manually if you want to do that. It does have edge detection technology. So this is probably not going to fall down the steps, and it's not going to run into your furniture or knock anything over. So that is a great feature as well. And believe it or not, this is actually dog approved. She didn't like her old robot, but she seems to get along with this one. It seems to be much more quiet than my old robot. And look, it's even finding the edge of the rug and avoiding that, which is a very nice feature as well. So, and these are the microfiber discs that also come with it, if you just want to do a little bit of light dusting on your floor. But the Everybot Edge 2, everything I've always wanted in a home automated mopping system and more. This thing is phenomenal.